to talk about enough, the difference between using enough and to. We usually use to. To is very simple. To goes before many much plus a noun. You eat too many, too much chocolate. Chocolate is countable noun or uncountable noun. Chocolate. Comment below. Comment down or comment below. That's a question. You may eat too many bananas or too many apples. Remember the plural. And to also goes before the adverb. You put that music's too loudly that I can focus. Too loudly that I can focus on study. Loudly. Or we can also say to needs to go before an adjective. This place is too cold. So here we have before adjectives, before many or much. You eat too much honey, you put too much honey, or too many bananas. So we just change, it depends on the nouns. If we have the countable noun, so we put many. If we can have uncountable noun, for instance, honey, milk, you put too much honey, you put too much milk, and so on. And finally, we have to plus adverb. Remember one thing that we always confuse that very is not the same as to. Let's make some example. For instance, this bag, although this bag is too no. For instance, although this bag is very expensive, I can afford it to buy it. I can afford it. And does that mean although it's very expensive, I can afford that? So I have the possibility to buy it. On the other hand, too is different. This bag is too expensive that I can afford it. So there's no possibility that I can afford it, that I can purchase it. So it's different. Two is that you're not able to buy it, whereas very you have the possibility to buy it. All right, next topic. Let's carry on. When we use enough. Enough means sufficient, and the right quantity to means more than enough. I don't want to swim in the sea today. It's too cold. It isn't warm enough. Phrases with too and enough are often followed by to plus infinitive. So this suitcases is too heavy to carry. He wasn't running quickly enough to catch us. Or so to plus infinitive. Or we can put for something or someone. That means, have you got enough cake for everyone? Have you got enough money for your tickets? Oh, So let's going to summarize a little bit. Enough goes before a noun. Before noun, that's my I don't have enough time. Time is a noun. We don't have enough time. I don't have enough time to complete the next exercise. And we can put enough before adjectives and adverb. That mean um, that we need to. This water is cold enough. So it's adjective and also before adverb. So this music, this volume is loudly enough. So we need to put adjective, adverb before enough.